So for the next project, we got this here machine, Hiab knuckle boom, and I got to replace the holding valve on the inner boom lift cylinder, which is right there. Doesn't that look like fun? Alright, this is the part that sucks about the new part and the old part. Let's show you. Alright, see on this old part how the faces right there, they're even. Both fittings screw in there. Here's the new part. And this one here is countersunk. This is flush, this is countersunk. So I gotta take this fitting and I gotta machine it down so it'll fit in there. And unfortunately, I don't have a lathe, so I gotta do it the old-fashioned way and stick it on a grinder and grind it down, which sucks. Well, it's installed. Now I have to just test run it, make sure no leaks. Wasn't that fun? No leaks, yay!